All right, hi everyone. This is going to be a correlation for the rock correlation lab. And I'm going to do columns C and D for you. And then you are going to finish connecting A, B with C and D. So I'm only going to do C through D. And then hopefully watching the videos that were already posted and practicing on the PDF from earlier, then you can finish this lab on your own. So let's get started with connecting columns C and D. So I like to start with our index fossils. I know that these index fossils are the same age. I know that they're also in the same type of rock, which is shale. So that's also another indicator, which is really helpful. So if I start with those, I guess I'll use yellow because I highlighted them in yellow. I'll connect the top layer of this to the top layer of this here. I'll connect the bottom layer of the shale to the bottom layer of column D shale. And it's just perfectly straight horizontally across. And for this lab, I would like if you could add in that rock symbol. All right, next I'll move on to the unconformity, which is right in the middle of all the columns, so it's fairly easy to do, as you just have to connect that wavy line to each wavy line. So here for column C and D, I'll just make a wavy line. It looks like it was never even disconnected. So now with correlating, I did the top of the sandstone using the shale and the index fossils, and I did the bottom of this sandstone using the unconformity. So I actually don't even need to do anything for sandstone because it's already done. So here I'll just add in my sandstone symbol. And I kind of got like a 2-for-1 deal there. Now because I did that piece as the sandstone and the unconformity and the shale, I have the top of the dolostone done. So all I need to do is the bottom of the dolostone, which is here, and the bottom of the dolostone in column D, which is here, and go across. And I like to try and make this as fluid as I can to connect the dolostones. All right, so the reason I'm doing column D and C for you is because printing this out or creating this lab, this was actually not supposed to be shale. This was actually supposed to be siltstone, but the dots are missing, so I'm going to draw those in myself. All right, so now I have these connecting siltstones, and the bottom's already done, so I only need to do the top. And I'll connect those two tops, and I'll put in the siltstone symbol as best I can. All right, then layer C and D seem to be done, and you actually have to connect the top of D over to maybe even B and A. All right, so do your best to try and fill out the rest. They should connect all the way. You should have at the end of this just one giant block of an outcrop. They should all be connected to the best of your ability.